Today, I think the live it will be a little bit shorter than usual because I will show you how to apply the graphite on the helmet and to show how to make it smooth and metal effect. And for this reason, after I apply one coat of graphite, I need to wait because you cannot touch too much the helmet. So I cannot do many things more. So I will just apply one layer of graphite, show to you how you can stick the graphite on the helmet without ruining it with your finger, because usually the big problem with this kind of stuff is that when you touch the helmet, remaining the graphite stick on your finger or anything else that will touch it. So I will show some tips for prevent this one. So before beginning, let me show you this one is our helmet. These days I just make the gold here. I paint it with a glossy black because for make it the graphite the best way to use the graphite is to have a black glossy surface. So this part is all black. Also the here, I sprayed the here, all the detail, they're remaining very good and crispy. And also I already installed the visor here. Today I also print another small helmet here. Here we are. This is the Grogu Mandalorian helmet. It's small because it's for my son. Next week there will be a small cost event here in China in my city, and I want to bring my son, and because it's too hot, I don't want to wear a full costume. I just decided to print this helmet, and today also I will apply the best cap, the metal graphite on the helmet, and I will show you how to stick the visor inside. And this one it will be for my son, and I will wear it my Mandalorian helmet. So we go together like this one because it's too hot. I cannot afford to wear a full costume. I would like, but it's really too hot. So let me put this one away. Few information before we start. When you use the graphite, you need to be very clean and clear because the graphite is super dirty. If it's finished on the floor, don't use something with the water, but collect it with something dry because it will spread and it's very sliding. If you step on your shoes, you can fall down. So I put here some paper. I will use also one bucket here with a plastic to put the graphite inside here and the helmet inside. So all the graphite that will exceed, we finish here. After I finish, I can just fold and throw on the floor. And also, very important is the mask. The graphite is very teeny particles that you cannot breathe because they are toxic. So when you use this kind of product, always use a mask with the air filter. It's very important. Okay, so let's start. First, wear the gloves. I also need to pay attention because I have a lot of stuff on the floor near to me because I need many tools today for work. And I need to pay attention that the cat, you don't jump in the bucket of water, the graphite, or something else, so it would be a mess. Let's put away a little bit the helmet. First one, this is the backlight. This is the graphite. As you can see, let me fix the camera. You see, this one is all powder of graphite. This is a big box of graphite. Show you in the camera without touching the camera because my hand is full of graphite. Here, I hope you can see something with this powder. This is the graphite. How to apply? Usually we use a sponge if the cat is going to drink the water. Cat is not your water. So let me put back this one. Let me take my helmet from down because now it's full of dirty. it's time for remove the exceed of the graphite and make the helmet less sticky. The first new pair of gloves, because the other one was full of graphite and you need to have some clean gloves. So I consumed a lot of this latex glove in the last period. Also because I start to use also the graphite now with the first experiment. I'm very happy with the result. The tunnel that I showed you last time, I finished to print finally, and I start to paint with aerographer, with airbrush. In my first experience almost. So let's see what will happen. Cat going. So for remove the exceed, I need to pay attention. I have a cat here. We can use some warm water. Now, that one is I cannot go outside and take the hot water now. I just prepare it here in advance. Cat. Oh, cat that is licking the helmet. Still cold. Oh, now it's warm. Now, with the warm water, just take some Scottex. You can wet your Scottex a little bit and start to pass. Like this, you will remove the extra part of the graphite and still keep the blinking. After this one, you need to wait until it will dry, of course. You cannot touch directly. But in this way, you will remove the exceed of the graphite that it can dirty your hands and every stuff. Look, for example, now the finger is already much cleaner if I touch. Let me check. Paper is clean. Yeah, remaining already much clean, and the helmet is super smooth. Now let's check one. Yes. So look at the helmet. Ta-da! Wow, so cool. This is one of my best favorite helmets ever, probably. Look at that. Right. If you put the light directly, look how it changes the color. You can see the reflection. Look, it's fantastic. Okay, I break all my stuff on the back and you already remove almost all the graphite. This one, after it will dry, I can just put another time some paper to remove it and it's okay. After that one, I can pass the gold here, the symbol that is the mystery maker symbol, because of course he put his name in every file he deserves. He's a great artist. So now let's remove the extra graphite off from the helmet of my son. Change gloves, this one are too dirty. If I touch this one, I will spread the graphite and it's useless. Yeah, I told you today is a little bit dirty section 5, but because many people ask me how to apply the graphite for the best effect, so this is my way. Many people use different way. There is not one better than the other one. As soon you get the result that you like, that's perfect. I tried different way. I tried with the clear growth in the end. Try a different way. I found this solution is the most suitable for me. Maybe it's not the more suitable for you. You can have your way to make the best car. But this one, as you see, is very fast, very simple, and especially very effective. Okay, so take the helmet of my son. Oh, I need to change the camera. Sorry, computer with a wet finger. My first best car helmet for my son. The blacksmith of Mandalorian will be proud of me. Try to show with the light because it's look very dark, but it's not. It's just because I told you need the light. Maybe here, maybe the other camera you can see better. Wait. Here, yeah, here you can see much better. You see how bright it is? You... I already shaped this one. So this one, let me fix the camera. Up, up. Here, I will just shape and stick inside here. And for stick and connect, I just use some tap. This one, the silver one that is super, super strong. So we apply slowly, slowly one side. Try to don't put on the part that is visible. Stick on the PVC and after stick on the helmet. This one, if you make a mistake, you can simply remove and put it back. So it's not a problem. Try to don't remove and put on the PVC directly because you can ruin a little bit the film. But a few times you can fix it. Otherwise, you just cut another piece. It's very cheap. So now I put it here. Here we are. This is the best car Grogu helmet for my 3-year-old son. Massimiliano, good. It's better than last time. I'm very happy. Look at it. And this is ready, yeah? I can pass another time one paper to remove the extra graphite, but you see, already nothing. It's already good. So this one later I can stick the ear with the glue because now I just push and not stick. This file here is from the patron of Nico Industry. This gorgeous helmet here is from Mystery Maker. Wait, this one you need to see from here because it's too good. You have to look it. Look at that. This one we make together. The first live, I show you how to slice, how to print, orient it, the settings. After I show you how to send, how to connect and stick the part together. And today, how to make the best card. So after it's totally dry, I will put some paint here. I will show you one moment the trick, how to use the spray for fix that one. And for today we finish. Wait a moment. Let me take the spray. For this, purpose, this is the spray that I use. It's a Chinese, it's a gold. What I usually do is take some cap, more than one, because it will ruin it faster. Shake very well. Spray inside, like this. Like this, you have some liquid inside. You can take one brush, clean. You just take this one, and you can paint. Now you have the same color of your spray. You can go to recover all the details. Now I need to wait until it's totally dry, the graphite, otherwise it will not have the same effect. I recover the line. It's much more visible, the line, more goldy. Voila. Look at that. Yo. It's fantastic. I don't want to remove it. I really love it. And I totally can see from inside to outside. And as you can see from outside, you cannot see almost anything. It's fantastic. Okay, so for today, we finish here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. If you have other questions, please every time write here in the comments. As always, remember to subscribe to the channel of eSUN if you like what you saw. Thumbs up, activate the bell,